Welcome to part 4 of the shop build. Let's go. All right, thanks for coming back. This time we're getting ceiling lights and ceiling and approach and all kinds of fun things that make it really exciting. So here's where we're repairing the concrete that had to be tore out, and then pouring the new approach or apron, and meshed pretty good. Looks nice. They covered up the siding to prevent it from getting concrete all over it, which I thought was awesome. Then I went to Menards and bought some steel roofing and put that on the ceiling using a drywall lift, which was helpful, and installed pull down stairs to get up there. And here we are about done, and here's a little video about that. Just finished the ceiling. Not too bad. There's the pull down stairs and the hole for the freight cart go up and down. So yeah, it looks pretty good, I think. Gonna get my 3 outlets in and then the lights in, hopefully this weekend. So my wife found this cool 6-switch stainless steel cover, which I thought was awesome, and started putting in all the lights and conduit between each one, and the boiler started going in, which was great because it's chilly nights now, so pretty excited. And I started moving machines in, and that was exciting. All right, we're making new parts in the new shop. Well, same parts. So we're going. We're up and running. Still need my sucker and my airlines run, but yeah, we're going. That's the main thing. Woohoo! Next, I built a sheet good rack so I could hold all the 4x8 sheets of stuff. Alright, today and yesterday I finished up the Airline. So, got a few drops. There's one here. One all the way across the ceiling there. Gotta stay away from the elevator hole. One by the CNC. Center. The hose reel and sprayer, and there'll be one drop here that I'm missing an end for, just that hangs over the table saw here, and one over there, and also there's one that goes upstairs, which is a dual port, just like that. Cool. Can't wait to turn it on. Should be an extra about 9 or 10 gallons of air too. Can't remember if I had a video of the essentials. Bottle opener. Safety. It's about for your iPhone 6 and charging and such, which hooks to the stereo there. And there's my old truck that I miss, and ginormous oversized speakers. Microwave, refrigerator, garbage bags, extra water. Fairly stocked, no booze. All right, so yeah, everything else is pretty irrelevant, right? Okay, quick 360 in my shop as of today. So, we got a hose reel, those are empty. Tool chest I built, compressor, clamps, clamp cart, stain, paint, etc. Boiler, ladders, wood storage, sheet good storage, then my lathe and lathe tools, computer and CNC machines, drum sander, which is not a permanent home there. Bandsaw, drill press, and sander. And in that cabinet is drill press bits and accessories. Router table. Down here we got the joiner, 8-inch. That's quick access to drills, screws, glue, etc. Storage, chop saw, which I haven't built a chop saw station yet. That's going to be on the priority list. Dust collectors, cords, hardware, fridge and essentials. And then we're back to the door. In the center, we got the planer, table saw accessories like blades and push sticks and stuff. And then actual table saw, which is covered in stuff. Bowling alley top bench I built with a bunch of storage underneath for other tools. And I think that's it for downstairs. And air cleaner stuck to the ceiling. So that's it for now. Alright, I thought I'd give you a quick upstairs view. So I'm coming up to pull downstairs. And we got some storage in the shop back here. This is the main access from down below. And currently I got a winch up here to get stuff up and down. Stuff like power washers and stuff. We got a spray booth kind of set up for spraying and painting. And then this side is all storage, electrical supplies and all kinds of stuff that doesn't belong in the main workflow area. And this is my son's little section over here. He made a little workbench, and that's his tools. And then we got longwood storage over here, and my spray equipment. So I'll give you a shot all the way, one end to the other. Works pretty good so far. Okay, thanks for watching part 4. We'll probably stop the video here and continue on when we get some more stuff to watch. So thanks.